Hi, welcome to Street Shots. Today I'm going to show you some photographs I took in Fremantle City, my usual haunt. This was late. Yeah, I got there just as the sun set, so it was pretty much, we'll say it was nighttime shooting, which is always interesting to say the least. I'm not afraid to really push the ISO when I shoot. You get that extra grain for sure, but I kind of like that. Sometimes it's too much, obviously, but anyway, not so much talking. I'm just gonna show you these photos. Let's do that right now. Yeah, cool. I think my favorite one out of those ones was the one with the girl halfway up the steps. That's at an old part of town down by the sea. Yeah, so that was pretty, kind of happy with that photo. All right, these next photos were just today in the middle of the day. Very bright light. I went into the, we have an old market, indoor markets, the Fremantle markets. Did quite a few photos in there, and then I just went out walking around the streets. Got a couple, got one. I did one colour one, I think, of a guy in a red shirt, white pants. He just popped, so I thought I'll leave that one colour. Anyway, let's check these photos out. Do that right now. All right, cool. That's it for this video. A couple little things about where I'm at. I use a Sony A6000 with various different lenses. That's my primary camera, my only camera. I've decided I'm gonna buy a Fuji. Yeah, I want to get an X-100s. Yeah, just for the street photography there. The Sony A6000, it's quite small, but even, if you've got a 50mm lens on, it sticks out, yeah. I just kind of want something a little bit more street friendly, that people don't freak out so much. It's quite a small looking camera. With a built-in lens that doesn't come off, but it's pretty well liked in street photography circles. So I'm going to be aiming towards getting one of those in the next, month or two. Fingers crossed. All right, thank you for watching. Please click like if you liked. If not, don't worry, and subscribe if you want to. Thank you. Bye now.